has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central McMinn County, southwestern Monroe County, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Itala, or 10 miles south of Madisonville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Jellicoe Plains, and Englewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunder